Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you everything you need to know to create an awesome Powtoon in just a few minutes. There's a couple of different ways to get started, including using our storyboard tool and starting completely from scratch. But the fastest way to make a Powtoon with a professional look and feel is to modify one of our ready-made templates. You can scroll through the library, or you can filter the templates by your specific need right here. I'm going to use this 5 pieces of advice template. Just click Use, and your template loads up just like that. Once it loads, you can click through your slides in the Slides panel over here. You can go into any slide and move as you want. Customizing text is a snap. Just click any field you want to change. Say, Marketing Team, so it'd be like that. Choose your font, size, and text color over here. You'll want to go slide by slide, customizing the text to fit your needs. Once all your text is customized, it's time to think visually. If you want to swap one character for another, just click the character and click Swap. You can choose from any other character here. And what about objects? It's the same process. Select the object you want to replace, click Swap, and let's say I wanted to use a car, right? So I click Transport and scroll through. Boom! It instantly swaps. Now let's say that's not the kind of car I really wanted. So I can just use the search bar up here, car, and here's a cool one. Bam! Instant swap. Okay, so we can review what we've made so far by clicking the play button down here. Oh yeah! Alright, so let's say you love this template, but you want to add a totally new slide. No problem. Just click this button. And now you have an empty slide. As soon as it loads, you can go ahead to our Scenes menu over here to choose one of our ready-made scenes, which are done for you layouts. The design, the characters, the text fields are all there for you to customize. Click it, and it's yours. Boom, right there on your screen. Fantastic. Now let's say, hey, this background isn't working for me. You just click Background and choose from any background you want. We've got locations, colored backgrounds, abstract backgrounds, image-based backgrounds. You can also upload your own image to use as a background from your computer or from your favorite social platform here. Or, if you just want to use a plain color, you can select that here. Moving down the list, let's say I want to add a character. So we get this message, Turn Timeline On. What's this all about? Let's turn the timeline on and find out. Your timeline allows you to set time on stage and enter and exit effects for any character or object on your stage, as well as adding or removing time from the slide here. This triangle is called the playhead. Basically, with the timeline on, you have full control over everything on stage. Now, I can go back to the character section of the library, choose one of the characters. I like this guy here, and let's say I want him to enter the stage at 1 second. So I place my playhead at 1 second, and I can drag the guy right onto stage. We see here our character is set to enter to the right, but we can choose any of these other effects instead. Now, let's find an object. Let's say a light bulb, because he's got an idea. There we go, I like that one. Bam! Our character's got a great idea with a light bulb. Here's what's important. You want to get the character and the object moving together, which is where the timeline comes in so handy. So here we go. He's entering towards the right, exiting to the left, and he's on stage from 1 second to 3 seconds, and we would want the light bulb to do the exact same thing. Enter to the right, exit to the left, 1 to 3, click play. Bam, that was perfect. One last thing to cover here in the studio, with all the tools up here at the top. You can rename your Powtoon right here and save manually here. You can preview your Powtoon from start to finish using this preview button. And if you ever need any help, you can always click this help button to access tutorials, reach our help center, and more. And this button here, this is where the magic happens, the export button. If you're happy with your Powtoon and you're ready to share it far and wide, click export. You can upload directly to your favorite social channels here, or publish it directly to your My Powtoons page. Just follow the wizard, set your preferences, and before you know it, you're done! Boom! Now you know the basics of how to create an awesome Powtoon, and it's fun. You can do this. We believe in you. In fact, you're learning a super awesome new skill set that can open doors. As soon as your Powtoon is ready, show it and share it with everyone you know. They're gonna love it.